Hi everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. And I'm going to give you 4 options, very real options that you can offer on your YouTube channel and you will not have to depend on ads. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, I'm very excited here to show you how to make money on YouTube without 1,000 subs, okay? So I'm going to give you 4 ways to make money on YouTube like this. And the first way, and I'm going to go from kind of like the more involved to the better solutions as we go, okay? So the fourth one is you could sell your own physical products, okay? Now, this is going to be the most involved thing that you can do because I've done this before and it's very involved. So when I did this on my own before, I did handmade products. So I actually took a route that was very involved, and there's actually a much more easier ways, you guys, to sell physical products these days, okay? So I probably took like the harder and the longer way to do this, but there's methods like drop shipping and print on demand these days that could totally allow you to sell physical products without you creating the physical products, okay? So, I mean, today you guys have so much option. It's unbelievable. So before I got into method number 1, I was making my own handmade products and built my own shop on WordPress using WooCommerce plugin, and I was selling my own products on Instagram that way. So it does work, but it's very involved when you're producing your own products, especially handmade. I really don't, it's so hard to scale and everything. I don't advise it. So drop shipping or print on demand or way more faster methods and faster business models that you can use to make this a reality for yourself, and it's going to be much easier. So if you want to check out using Shopify though, I could provide you with a free training in the video description if you're interested in that, and build like a drop shipping Shopify store. And so a lot of people are doing that online, so that is a great option for you if you don't have 1,000 subs yet, okay? Number 3 is to build your own digital products. Now, building digital or creating digital products are going to be a lot easier than physical products. And digital products, you can do anything like as simple as like an ebook, like a PDF kind of thing, or you can be extravagant as building your own digital course and hosting it on like teachable.com or udemy.com or skillshare.com. So those are digital course platforms that you can sell on, okay? So those are many different ways. And even if you want to sell digital products, even Etsy.com, you can do printables on there as handmade. So Etsy is only for handmade products, but they allow digital products like making templates sell printables, okay? People like buying like templates for planners or invites or stuff like that. So if you're, let's say your channel is about wedding, okay? You love weddings and or wedding planning, and you know how to do invites, digital invites, you could sell those templates on Etsy or even Fiverr or wherever. There's so many platforms, you guys. Okay, so I've mentioned a few on here already. So let's go on to the next one. Okay. Now, number 2 is offering your own service. So when you're offering your own service, you're not dealing with products, okay? So what kind of services can you offer? What skills do you have? Do you know how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos? If you are very good at making YouTube thumbnails, you could go out and reach out to other YouTubers on there and offer your services to other people that way, okay? So you could offer your own service by going either on Fiverr.com and creating the service that you are offering people, because you can use Fiverr.com as your platform to actually charge people, okay? So that's what Fiverr.com is about. It's like a freelancing site. Like a lot of people go on Fiverr.com to get services done. So if you have a service to offer, you can put a post on there and offer your services to other people. And so this way is another way for you to provide value and sell your services on YouTube and in the space that you want to create your YouTube channel on, okay? Now, the number one way to really make money on YouTube is using the affiliate marketing business model. And why I get so excited about this business model is because it is really the best method, the best business model for beginners to use to really start making money online. Why? Is because you can already start promoting things that are already selling online, okay? So you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to offer your own service. And you are just basically providing solutions to other people who are searching for answers to their problem. So that is really the essence of affiliate marketing. There are tons of people searching for answers to fix their problem. And as an affiliate marketer, what you're trying to do is connect people who needs solution to the solution. And when you make that match, that's when you earn a commission, okay? So what you can do when you're building your YouTube channel is that, first of all, you need to know what topic or what niche you're going to go into when you build your YouTube channel. So then once you figure that out, then you're going to search online to find the best affiliate programs that you can find for your niche that you want to promote. So you got to figure out what kind of products are in the space and how much money you can make from them and what are the terms of payment and so forth. So there's actually a lot you can learn about affiliate programs, and I'm going to link actually a video up here where you can learn more about how to choose affiliate programs and what to look for, okay? But so once you figure out the affiliate program, then you could just go ahead and sign up with the ones that you want to promote, and then you would just get your affiliate links from those companies that you want to promote and put them in your video descriptions. And that's pretty much how you can do that. That would be the easiest way for you to start making money without ads on your YouTube channel and without making your own products and everything. And so that's why starting with affiliate marketing will get you earning very quickly on YouTube if you do it right, okay? And let me just give you a quick example of how this will work. So let's say you are going to build a dog channel on YouTube, okay? It's going to be about your dog and how you love your dog and how to maybe train your dog and whatever dog things there is. And then you could just sign up with Amazon.com. They have an affiliate program called Amazon Associates. So just search Amazon Associates on Google and you can find that. And on there, you could apply to be an affiliate with Amazon, and you can use your YouTube link as the website that you're going to be using in your application, because you have to put a website on there. And once you do that, then they will offer you affiliate links to any products on Amazon. So once you're on Amazon, you're going to get your affiliate link through the back end of your account. And when you are talking about, let's say I was using a certain water bottle for my dogs for going to the park, whatever, and you could talk about in the video you could talk about how great that water bottle is for your dogs. So what you can say in your video is that if anybody wants to buy this water bottle, they can also go to the video description to get the direct link to Amazon to buy this water bottle themselves, and you can make money this way, okay, on Amazon. So Amazon is just one very simple example, but there are really thousands and thousands of affiliate programs that you can search for online. And if you actually are serious about this business model, this is a serious way to make big money as well. And so if you're really interested in affiliate marketing, smash that like button right now, okay? But no, seriously, if you're really interested in learning about affiliate marketing, I would suggest you guys go into right there, workanywherenow.com/best, and you'll get to a spot where you can learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing. And don't forget, I'm going to link some more videos at the end of this video so that you can learn more about affiliate programs and how to choose them, guys, okay? So you can learn more on my channel for free, or you could just go to this link and learn for real, okay, guys? So I hope you have learned something from me in this video. I really appreciate a thumbs up if you liked this video and received some value from my video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, please Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money with this. I make a full-time income using affiliate marketing, and I know you can too. So I hope I see you on the next video, guys. Okay, bye.